The human population today accounts for about 0.01% of all life on Earth, yet we have undeniably left the largest mark on our planet of all species to ever live. Since the Industrial Revolution, the average surface temperature of planet Earth has climbed almost 2 degrees Fahrenheit. The past few years have been on average the hottest years in history, and if we don't take action, in 12 years at least a 2.7 degree Fahrenheit increase will cause irrevocable damage to the planet. We have a responsibility to take care of the environment, and even more so because of the damage we, as a species, have done. Our effectiveness at combating climate change is dependent on our ability to find new and innovative solutions to the problems our planet is facing. Those who seek to solve these problems often fail to recognize the most creative and effective inventor waiting right under their noses: Mother Nature. In Boston, Massachusetts, 1717, an 11-year-old boy named Benjamin Franklin took to the Charles River wearing oval-shaped pallets on his hands and feet, inspired by aquatic wildlife. He figured that using these pallets would help him propel himself through the water. The flippers you wear on your feet today whenever you are diving or snorkeling are a product of these innovations and a perfect example of biomimicry. Taking inspiration from nature, biomimicry is an approach to innovation that combines biology and technology to find sustainable solutions to human challenges. Through biomimicry, we are able to develop solutions to the biggest threat facing our planet today: climate change. Currently, the material used in solar panel cells reflects a degree of sunlight, leading to a loss of energy. Scientists are looking to the insect world to find more efficient ways to absorb light into solar panels. This butterfly, native to India, requires energy from the sun in order to fly. The butterfly's wings feature a nanohole design that helps it to absorb more sunlight than even its pitch-black color is able to do on its own. Scientists are trying to recreate this dotted nanohole structure to design solar panels that absorb light more efficiently than traditional smooth-surfaced panels. By looking to Earth's natural structures, scientists are able to increase light absorption by 200%. In another instance, researchers have applied systems in nature to create architectural solutions that help with energy efficiency and sustainability. A design of a new building in Abu Dhabi, UAE, a city known for its hot climate, was created using biomimicry. This particular project was inspired by the desert snail. The desert snail incorporates survival mechanisms that include air spaces within the snail's shell to prevent heat transfer from the ground, a reflective shell, and evaporative cooling. These cooling methods can be implemented into the building design through more reflective and shading properties and potential air insulation that can improve energy efficiency and thermal comfort in a hot climate. The Pearl River Tower in Guangzhou, China, takes inspiration from the sea sponge to make the building more energy efficient. The tower, like the sponge, features a porous design. Just as the sponge absorbs water to get its nutrients, the building houses wind turbines within its pores that take advantage of the strong winds at such high altitudes to generate power for the building. As global temperatures increase, humans are also looking for ways to conserve water and energy. The species that live in extreme climate conditions, where there is little water, can teach humans about how to adapt to hotter and drier climate. Scientists are looking to plants, such as cacti, that are able to survive and thrive in these weather conditions as an inspiration on how we can conserve water and energy. To cope with the dry weather conditions in Qatar, this building mimics the pores in cacti that are used to regulate temperature and transpiration in order to retain water. Cacti usually open these pores at night rather than during the day because it's much cooler. This building avoids overuse of expensive air conditioning by opting to use temperature-regulating shutters that open and close based on outdoor temperatures. These case studies demonstrate why we should look to nature for creative inspiration. Such inspiration is essential to help mitigate the effects of climate change we are already experiencing and those to come in the future. The fields of architecture, energy production, and water conservation already benefit from biomimicry. However, there are potentially limitless ways we can draw ideas from the world around us. We can continue to fight back against climate change with innovative solutions to preserve this world for generations to come.